Show. Where you going? Rosa, come up now. Showpiece. You're taking at the pot. Showpiece. Look, man. See how showpiece are going.
And they done and cook showpiece.
Showpiece.
Showpiece that are done peas.
A done piece.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Oh, so you're good then over there. So you're so close for car. And there's some more concrete over there. Slow. There's some more your boat, man. That's one that's slow come inside. The water for run. The water for run come inside.
Prince Bathroom man, toilet are going beatings.
Take that? I never, no. Good. You know, we ain't paying it.
So where you saw the toilet?
Yeah, that's the toilet.
Yeah, man, shower big, you know.
Why shower?
Big space in my world. Big space.
But swim.
I
take the first wash off. Yeah, because I've done that where I walk, I have to wash off.
Yeah.
Dash off. We are set. Space to prepare more, you know?
Yeah.
You don't know, it's a film journalist.
Yeah.
I'm going to take it on by himself.
I'm a cockman journalist.
Yeah.
It's a flash.
Yeah, man.
I'm bringing
Talking about learn the flashing dash.
Fuck it to flashing.
That's what I teach.
Big space, yeah. Big space, man. Big space.
Big 5x8 bathroom, man.
Big space. Big upstairs, just a line up the casting.
Big thing, yeah.
Deck off.
No, sir. Dream team.
One team.
You know, you see this, sir? Leave out the pipe, them can't be the outside system. You understand what I say? Yeah, so instead of the water run and going, the rest of everything will run, come back and go. Man, pipe and everything will connect this one. So everything will work.
Yeah.
So them will get a completion of everything.
Yeah.
You know?
Hey, the speed is still, you know. Team at work, you know.
Speed, man.
Dream tell me
See a piece of board there. That them say?
Yeah, the girl them said that over the so.
Yeah.
Love it. Love you, them ready with this dollar.
Quick and fast, this gone over now, like. Quick. Team at work. Dream team, make the dream come true. I'll be a preparing one of this flashing and dashing.
Cut this out of the flash, yeah. Cut the pistol.
Just
Ready, you know?
ready, you know.
Get in there.
So you have to give thanks to the one of them and then make it possible, you know?
See, I talk about money every time,
Yeah.
money make forget that hard boat.
Yeah. Man, them have on them hard road. Nah, man, an active, yeah.
Nah, man,
Big up, you know.
no flow.
I take big up, you
Dream team,
know.
Shit. Well, I'm there. Come and joke with the people and
Call up on the water boat.
Yeah, I don't know. We just make a switch, you know.
Yeah.
Because the hard boat, they kind of rub my toe.
Yeah.
So it kind of close.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just work with the water boat. More comfortably nice.
Sure.
See me?
Yeah. More comfy, because you work comfortable.
Comfortable, yeah.
Baja almost the same length as the wall, man. The house. Bathroom is big like a house, big.
Yeah, man, that's a good life, man. Don't know, the 51,
I hope Prince love beard.
Not an excuse.
Not an excuse.
Yeah, man.
Love beard.
Running pipe in my half, you know. Shower, you know.
Bossy.
Yeah.
Love beard, you know.
Yeah. The painter. Yes, the tata out a go on. Them there man, how you pay water boot. Just to say how you boot there. See the people them there and put on them boot straight away. Aye man. Yeah, well. Oh. See the shoes you put on night a while ago. Whoa! Whoa! Chef there, see him here after that put on him shirt. That's a chef in the kitchen. Eh?
Many of the ones I want to put it hard.
It's hard.
Yes, I can't get a piece. I'm going so long, forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I know. You can shut up and can't get a red piece. So, let me tell us true.
No red peas. So I tell them I will cook items too.
Yeah. Jella could have ingredients and still enough. I got a piece. And then we'll use 2 pieces, make a fresh shite. Yeah. I tell you that, brother.
Yeah.
10 pieces them can use, huh?
No. Original peas.
Yeah, man, I work.
So you have to spread it and done, man.
Yeah.
Very good piece.
Like,
Yeah.
you know, bicycle, you know, I go for 6th Street, that's all. We have a local shop right there, when you come on there.
Piece more.
Yeah, you know,
Oh!
but the command
Easy,
straight
easy, no
everything.
sell out no more. Wash the baby, but I'm going to sell peas. Whole piece can use. Yeah, man, that's not the man. I like it.
It's a items too.
I can't tell about the ingredients.
Yeah. All the time, I'm secret. Yeah.
Items too.
Yeah, take that. That's why I'm not proud. We're over there and the team life. One team. I love it. All subscribers and all viewers. Bless up. All owners. Bless up. I want you.
Yeah, dream team.
Oh, so that's my preparation. Oh, don't talk about this. You know exactly not even with it, just make it more. Ali G, that good man, Ali G, man. Ali G, you are the cheered man, you know. Wait a minute,
Get the piece more.
The peas,
Yeah, man, get the piece more. Yeah, man.
pressure. Items too. It's a Bobo Hill style.
No, I'm telling you, you know about Bobo Hill, you know.
Bobo Hill
Bobo
style.
Bobo Hill, yeah, them things that up there, I can see. Yeah, man, so I'm going to go down now. Line between them, you know. Whoa! Yeah, man, it's nice.
Full circle of fucking and things are pressure.
You know, it's early.
Early now.
Yeah, we're set up and going up the ingredients and, you know, everything line up. It's nice.
Paint up the whole shirt.
Yeah, man, paint
yeah, man, the paint man, to me and shake it up, you know. We get the story tonight, we just go to the top on the wall.
Yeah.
Because I turn on the paint again and shake it, everything going out for me.
Yeah, man. You know, all people out there, you know.
Yeah.
You know, the paint that you know, you know.
Yeah, for real.
Go on the bar, you see.
Everybody has their part.
Yeah, man. Look at my people, man. Respect all of yeah. Every time. Whoa!
Whoa!
I'm just come pass me on the edge, too.
Yeah. In the kitchen.
Kitchen,
Yeah.
What about the kitchen? I get the thing there. Start on one side, I want enough experience.
Yeah. Whoa!
I'll take a picture, man. Yeah.
That's the baller then.
Yeah, man. Vardy, you know?
Jamie Vardy.
Yeah, man. England no striker, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, up and running, man. You see?
Jamie Vardy.
Yeah, man. Remember, I said I'm the same. Vardy, name.
Yeah. Yeah, Jamie Vardy. Good day, mommy.
Yeah.
Delgado, mommy.
Yeah, man. You see me, I said.
How you feeling now?
Yeah.
Alright.
You see now?
About your mom. Put something up on your nose. Over your nose cover, yeah. Delgado, the chef. People say, your mother, you feel by now, Delgado.
Yeah, man. Straight on the line, man. You know?
Yeah, man, see resemblance.
Hey, look on her, man.
Eh?
Sophia, look on Sophia, you know?
Oh, Sophia. Oh, you resemblance. The whole family this.
Yeah, the whole family.
Yeah, man. Let's
Oh. Right, Jody. Yeah, the whole family. Yeah, when you drink our buckle. A bigger sister? Okay. And who's the niece? Sister.
Yeah, man. So many after we saw her.
Oh, Apple. Apple. Yes, mommy. Now, donation for you as well to the mommy, you know. Yeah. Two donation from overseas. Holland. Two donation overseas from Crucial. His name Crucial from Waterhouse, the UK. $5,000. So count it and sell 5.
Yeah, 5,000 line, you know?
From Crucial, from
Crucial in the
Waterhouse.
UK, you know?
Yeah.
Send out the man Crucial in the UK, man. You see, respect on them, man. Something, no?
Yeah, respect.
Yeah.
That's kind of, you know?
Yeah, me understand, man. So your foot that pressure, you see me?
Medication, man. Yeah, man.
Yes.
See me, man. I really panic, man. I get some medication for it, you know?
Yeah.
Some exercise it on, you know?
Massage and
Yeah,
things.
something. That's it, you know?
Take your time. Take your time. Yeah. So she have medication feet and things.
Yeah, get medication, man. She have a medication and she go forward here, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going for some more in a week. I come. Sophie, I go for some more when Monday.
No, yesterday.
I go for yesterday.
You pin up yesterday? Yeah.
I go for them yesterday and things, you see?
Yeah. And we also have the next $5,000 from C from Bronx, from America. $5,000 from C from Bronx.
C from Bronx. Yeah, man, 5,000. I respect C from Bronx, man, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, if you do all the party, you know, why some more medication, you know?
Yeah.
Man, you see?
Yeah.
Man.
So that's C from Bronx. So that's for the time. Yeah.
So then you can buy some food for you, buy some more medication and help put up some little thing for you, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
See from Bronx, respect on her, you see me?
Yeah, and Crucial.
Yeah, Crucial. You see me? All people love no Crucial, respect, yeah? Yeah, man, Anna, man, you see me?
Yeah, mommy, man. So if anything else come up, we'll keep on make people reach out to you, see me. And see if we can get, you know? I don't know from Delgado, the chef, you know, he might look after a whole heap, you know, so you don't know. You have to look after you as well, too. Yeah? You have to look after you as well, too. Nice breeze of blow around here, man. The breeze is nice.
Sorry.
You cut it out, man.
Mash up, you see the machine drop down for the bar there, close it. So big back, mash up, you know. Anybody go down that, you know.
Yes, mommy, so let's go on with the faith same me, yeah? And any good thing, faith same me. If anything come up, they come around and reach out to you, yeah? I understand people reach out, I don't know where I reach out for Delgado, so. And yeah, mother can enough people never believe, say, the mother is sick, you know? And him still try to make other things reach for people, you know? So I really admire that, you know? You see him with a smile on his face and never know, say, mother go through a lot of pain. I understand, so we really appreciate your son for what he do for the community, you know?
Yeah.
Really appreciate him, so I get the support for you.
Yeah.
And make sure so you can always have your medication and things. Yeah, and just go and bless up yourself, see me. Yeah, mommy? And stay safe. Yeah, God, just go and do the good work, see me, and take care of mommy.
Papa work, I go and see me out there.
Yeah.
I feel them that.
God bless you.
God bless you. Yeah, women, just go and stay safe. Big up yourself, yeah? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Alright, yeah, man. See, look, strike them here. Yeah, man, them are coming out. England, them are going to go now, man. Jimmy Vardy, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
2 ball of them.
Yeah, man.
So, Jamie Vardy and who this?
Messi, them call him 100, you know?
Oh, yeah, Messi.
Yeah, them call him Messi.
And Jamie Vardy, 2 big baller.
Yeah, man, but Vardy, I'm a wicked striker, you know?
Yeah. Then Messi, you know, Messi a big baller already, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see the Vardy a wicked and Messi?
Yeah, man, Vardy, I'm wicked and Messi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so watch your face and big up and early, you know?
Yeah.
All I'm doing, I'm friend them big up all this.
Yeah.
Alright, now, so we can know what I'm going. Yeah.
Yeah, man, so blessings and gift.
Alright, man, you see?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
That,
Getting good still, you know?
yeah.
See?
Painter. Tagwan, man. Bright, no finish yet. So we put on the first coat.
Better know. Take none from this.
The house come on nice.
Yeah, man, it's alright, man. We look alright.
So we gotta buy another bucket for you. And then another gallon because paint finished, so I gotta buy another one for you, yeah? Yeah, I gotta buy another one. I gotta buy another paint for you. Because the one you finished now, so you can go back over it again and get another coat.
Yeah,
But I like how it looks so far, you know?
yeah, me like it, man. Me
Like the colour?
me like it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know, look bright. You make you look bright. And your TV, I go up on the wall. And you got your radio. And you get your mattress as well, too. Yeah, man, so you can make sure so you're comfortable.
Where look bush still.
Yeah.
Tata.
Yeah.
Where look bush, man. Remember when I used to see in a white tooth, I go down the road and I go to the party and walk down the road in the Tata. Yeah, man.
Tata himself. Yeah, going easy. Yeah, man, we like. It's a good look painter. So you go for the hardware, go buy the painter and come back. Here, Tata?
Oh.
And so come back. Yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
Tata.
Alright, then see you know what I mean. I got hardware and come back.
Yeah, man, Tata.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, man, I know enough and she can come to the small and from the white and come up with the white one. That's it, Dave.
Big man Tata, we are back again, you know, Tata. Right, Tata.
Double
Coat.
And put all the way.
Yeah.
Double coat.
Make it look good, madam.
Make
It
it
look
right.
good, man. It look good to me.
Yeah, put on another coat, man.
I put the next coat on it for my bar.
Just
Right.
And the regular.
Yeah.
one for prime it and one for finish it.
Finish it up.
Yes, daughter. Whoa!
Whoa, no. Yeah, man.
Take out the ital shoe part.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to look more, and see if I make him go down, look more in there, no? See what I say?
Yeah. Whoa!
Look, no. Whoa! Yeah, man. I tell the people I go fight all night day, yeah, you know?
Ital is vital.
Yeah, man, I go fight all night, you know? So, yeah, man.
Ital's true. You say Bobo Hill want to see this.
Yeah, man, all up at Bobo Hill, you know, me I show me, you see me I say?
Yeah.
So that bubble at Bobo Hill,
Yeah, yeah.
you see me I say?
So I go and simmer down with
Yeah, man, I say, yeah, man, carrot, peas, the onion, and the Irish and the okra. You see me I say? Oh, what you vital, man, I took it, yeah, one story. Go and go down look a bit more now so I can proper share it and I take him up. See me I say, with the flour down, I just throw him there, put him down look it. See me I say, I tell you now, so all the ingredients in my Ital stew, and I love it.
know what the nice.
Yeah, man. Ital stew, you know, we're going to have tomorrow. Fried chicken like KFC.
French fried chicken.
French fried chicken.
Shucks.
Yeah, man.
French
See me I
fried
say.
chicken. Yeah, tingo.
So we just tell Joe, say, well, I have 10 pounds for you, man, come on.
Yeah, yeah. And this come from Hamza.
Hamza.
A sponsor with some French
Hamza.
fried chicken and rice
Hamza.
and peas
Right, no,
from New
Hamza.
York.
I'm all of the spikes, I'm saying now. Yeah, man, Hamza, man. French fried chicken, man, he say no. I'm seasoned. Yeah, man, the buckle of the body, I tell you.
All the spikes
Yeah,
that.
man, it's the spikes, I love it. The spikes, I love it. And I fry my chicken, man, I use up them things, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Herbal seasoning, man. You see me, I say,
Cheers, cheers.
put some of this, because these are real spikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, watch it, watch it.
Spikes are
watch
fast
it, yeah, man.
spikes, yeah. Holy for cooking go on in that, you know. You say gone
I'm
down.
going to vinegar, you have to wash off all my meat.
Yes, yes.
May I tell you, you see what I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See that? Proper.
Rice ready for the
I
Ital.
show you for the Ital stew now. Butter this on the side, I go around.
Yeah, I realize.
Butter. Yeah, man.
Put up on one side.
Yeah, man. So I'm start digging up now. I'm just prepare him up, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Why the pot smell good boy, yeah.
Yeah, man. To go on down, man. Some want him go down, man. That's what I'm going to pull there, you know. Full it up. I'm going to go down.
Go down. Wow.
That time Bajan come and start shit. Oh, plate, now get plate.
Yeah, we got the plate down. We got the plate down. Straight.
Yeah, man. See, by the time yeah, man, to go down, man.
Down with a go.
Yeah, so just put the rice one side on the plate.
Screw one side.
And the stew one side on it, and we can balance it, you see what I say? Yeah, man, I'm going down, man. Proper, I'm going down, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
People
man.
them love the cooking and them say can't wait for founder Jamaica.
Yeah, man, see there.
Come taste the real chef cooking.
I tell stew, me I tell
Hamza.
him. Hamza, big up. Watch your face, Hamza.
From New York.
Yeah, man, because you know, I tell you, we're doing the fried chicken tomorrow and put rice and peas.
Yeah. And the sliced fish on the side.
Side, like, alright. Whoa,
Yes,
whoa.
there's the thing now. Whoa!
Yeah, man. You see me, I say, yes, I right.
Whoa!
Yeah, man.
Once more.
Yeah, man, see me. And this now, when I'm going to home, I want to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, people, I'm reaching up my want him on the level.
You say reach the level.
Yeah, man, I'm going to want him on the level. Yeah, man.
That ship is so dark.
Yeah, man. Straight, man, tell you.
Come out there, man. It was true.
Yeah, man.
Roger.
Telling the people in the salt.
His name Grace.
Grace.
Yeah. She said mine, you know, boy, you talk about sex and apple pie, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. She said, yo, she had a wife.
She had a wife,
Yeah.
she had the ring in a baby.
Yeah.
She had a wife, and I tell you. You hear that? She had the ring.
Yeah. She said, yo, she had found out Jamaica.
Yeah.
And she had tour you. You see me? Yeah, she said, better make sure you have a passport, because you love to talk about New York.
So up and running, man. So get a passport, man.
Yeah.
Just want to tell you come up and running, you know?
Yeah.
You hear that?
Straight, she named
Yeah,
Grace. She said, mine, you know. But you talk about no sex ranks and apple pie, you know. She said, no more of that.
No more of that.
No more of that.
Alright, Grace. Make sure you have the ring until you coming up.
Yeah.
Yes, what I say?
Straight.
Yeah, man, so they have the ring until you come. Until you come. Everything set alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Oh, so we do it, yeah, baby?
Yeah, I lead.
Yeah, man. See?
Your face white and your body black.
Look at you, Brahman out there. She a ginger.
Show. How you going? Rosa, come up now. Showpiece. You're taking at the pot. Showpiece. Look, man. You see how showpiece are going?
They done and cook stew peas.
Showpiece.
Stew peas that are done peas.
A Dan peas. Boy, the ones that are Dan peas here are cooking as showpiece.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.